In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber Eats support. If you ever run into an issue with an order, your account, or the app itself, the fastest way to get help is right inside the Uber Eats app. Start by opening the app and heading to your profile. From there, select Help. This is your central hub for support. You'll see categories that match the most common topics like delivery problems, account issues, payments, background checks, and app troubleshooting. Pick the option that best fits what you're experiencing. Choosing the closest match helps route your request correctly and speeds up the response. When you open a topic, you'll usually see short articles or forms. Read any quick tips first. They often solve simple problems on the spot. If you still need assistance, look for the contact buttons at the bottom. Before you reach out, it helps to gather a few details, like your order number and a brief description of what went wrong. Keep your message clear and concise, and add a screenshot if it makes the issue easier to understand. Depending on your location, you may see several ways to contact support: in-app live chat, phone support, message support, and priority help that appears when you're on an active delivery. If you're currently on an order and something urgent comes up, open the active delivery from your home screen, tap Help on that order, and contact support directly from there. That option is designed to prioritize time-sensitive problems like a pickup delay or trouble finding the drop-off. While you wait for a response, keep the app open or enable notifications so you don't miss a reply. If you switch devices, make sure you're signed in to the same account. And if a chat is disconnected, just reopen the Help section and check your recent support conversations. You can also use the online Uber Help Center for articles and account support. It's a good place to submit support tickets, track ongoing issues, read FAQs relevant to delivering and driving, and manage certain account settings. Sign in with the same account you use in the app so your information is synced. When you submit a ticket, include a clear subject line, a short summary of what happened, and any relevant order details. That helps the support team resolve it faster. That's it. Open the app, use Help to choose your issue, contact support through chat, phone, or messages, and use the online help center when you need deeper guidance or to follow up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the answers you need quickly.